Welcome everybody back to Hops at Home. I am Mark. Today we're going to put together our Easter tablescape for the year. Every year I try to do something a little bit different. So I have already started setting the table to get things done in advance. We have a table runner that I made from a piece of fabric. Well, fabric. It was a tablecloth because I couldn't find fabric that matched the inspiration that I had. And in my other video that I'll link down below, we did some Mackenzie Childs and Pottery Barn dupes. And so one of the dupes that we did was this cork-backed placemat in the pink check pattern. And so that is a big part of the inspiration for this year's table. I'm mixing colors, I'm mixing patterns, I'm keeping it all fun. So we've laid out all of the other settings. We're just going to do one setting to save some time. So I am using these chargers. These are from Michaels. I got them on clearance 2 seasons ago, so this is my second year using them. This year they're available as a 4-pack. The pattern on them this year is more of a watercolor paint. It's the same color scheme, same pattern, but instead of having more defined graphic lines, it looks more like a watercolor brush stroke, which they're gorgeous. If I didn't have these, I would have bought them. So we're putting down our placemat, our charger. Now we're going to go ahead and just use these blue checked dinner plates. They're plastic. You don't have to go fancy dancy all the time to get a look that you want. And to be honest, this is for appearance. I'm really gonna, if I'm gonna serve on here, I would remove these and put my everyday white plates, but just for the look, we're going with these. These were 75 cents each. So you can't go wrong for a little bit of an aesthetic feel. Then we're gonna go and put our cutlery. So our knife is going to the right-hand side of our charger. The blade points towards the charger. The spoon will go to the right of that. To the immediate left of the charger, we're putting our dinner fork. That's the bigger fork. And then our small fork or our salad fork is to the left of that. The next thing we want to put on are these egg-shaped appetizer plates. These are one of the Pottery Barn dupes that I made. And so we're just going to put that down. Then part of the Mackenzie Child dupes were to make some pink check napkins that match our placemats. And we're just going to fold them into a square. All of the open folds or points are at the top. And I'm just going to take it and just roll it upon itself into like a cone shape so that it looks like this. And then we're just going to run them through these cute little metallic napkin rings. I got these off of Temu. So we're just going to put that down on top of our appetizer plate. Then we've got some candle holders, a little bit of a different color scheme, sticking with the pastels, but these are a yellow and white stripe. And I talk about how I made those in my dupes video. They're not a real dupe. They're just inspired by my brain. We're going to add our battery operated candles. These do not have batteries in them, I just realized, but we will get some and put them in. So for the centerpiece, I did post a video the other day of how I created this bunny centerpiece. So that is going in the center of our table. Now we're ready to put our drinkware. So I'm going to grab our coasters and I'm just going to stick those in the upper right hand corner of our placemats. And these are just cute little bunny felt cutouts that I got a couple years ago at Michael's. So we're just going to stick those there, that a little bit. For our glassware, we are going to use our cocktail goblets. I'm thinking Easter being more of a brunch situation, so I want to go a little bit more fun and flirty with it. So we're going to use our little cocktail coupe glasses. They have that very trendy textured pattern, the rib that you're seeing everywhere now in iced coffee glasses and drinking glasses. And they also have a gold rim, so they're going to tie in some of the other golds that we're using. And they're just a fun addition to our table. Now, as you know from other videos, normally I like to put individual salt and pepper shakers on my table, but for Easter, I have these cute little Easter bunny and egg. So we're going to sit those right here next to the basket itself. And then I just want to go through and add some more fun bunnies and eggs to this. So we have a few of these little flocked bunnies. I got these from the Dollarama, same with this. So we're just going to go ahead and stick them on the table like so. And then we do have these fun little chocolate bunnies. I'm not going to use those this year, but I am going to use some of these iridescent eggs that we have and just lay those out on the table. And I also have some really fun disco ball eggs. I got these from Michael's as well. They were $6.99 Canadian, but I got them for 40% off. So I didn't mind paying a little bit for them. And we're just going to stick the disco balls on the table as well, just for a little sparkle. And there we have it, our finished tablescape. Super easy to do and put together, super cute. And I'm sure whoever comes and eats at this table is going to have a smile on their face when they look at this. If you have other suggestions for tablescapes you'd like to see or some other design videos, please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you and see how I can help you brighten up your space. Have a great day.